Hi guys, welcome to my channel Coded. In today's tutorial, I will teach you how you can create Instagram story in Canva. So guys, if you are new on my channel then please go ahead and click the subscribe button down. So without wasting any time, let's start. So guys, open canva.com in your browser URL and then create an account or login using Google or Facebook social login and then you are going to see this page. On this page itself, over here, you need to scroll it sideways. And then, guys, over here, you need to look out for Instagram story. The Instagram story resolution is 1080 into 1920 pixels. So, we need to click on this create blank and then a new tab will open and in the new tab a blank basically canvas will be shown of Instagram story. So guys, now at the left side we have designs. Under these designs you can see all the templates which you can use. There are paid and free templates. The ones which have these pro tags are the one which are the paid one. Basically, we need to be on Canva paid plan to use them. But there are other free ones so which you can use. Free ones doesn't have any kind of text, so you need to just click on it to use them. So guys, there are different basically filters over here to which using which we can search for templates. Like if I want to create for travel, then just type travel and press enter. So you can see all the travel templates. So this is how we can filter. If I want for vlog, then I'll search for vlog and I can select what I want. And similarly, even you can search out for using your country names or places also. It will be available. See, even you can create for Republic Day, Independence Day, and all. So let me create for basically vlog. So I'll click on vlog and now let me select a template. So let me use this one. Okay. As soon as I click on it, then guys, if you see the template got added in the blank canvas. Now this blank canvas shows the basically template which is added. If I click over here, then I can change the style. See, I can shuffle. See guys, the color changes and you can change the background color over here to whatever you want. See, there you go. Now guys, let's replace this particular image. Yes, we can replace it. So just click on it and guys, if you see, since this image is paid, so it shows to remove the watermark, and to remove the watermark you have to be on Canva paid plan. If you export this, then the watermark will come with Canva branding. So let's remove this basically image. So now let me remove. Okay, we have removed the image. Now guys, go under elements and search for basically I'll search for vlog. Okay, and click on graphics and I'll add this one. Okay, and now we can either increase or decrease the size of the image and we'll adjust it little bit. Okay, and I'll place it properly. And let's add more things. Okay, and I'll add this one also and there we go. And we can change this also. I'll say code 8 vlog and I'll say this to India. Okay, so guys, this is how we can create stories for Instagram inside Canva. Super easy, right? Yes. To add more text, you can click on text and over here there are different font families and all. So just click on it and add it. And there are different types of elements also which you can add. I already showed you how we can add. So guys, that's all in this video. I hope this video was helpful to you in learning how we can create Instagram stories using Canva. Guys, please go ahead and smash the subscribe button down. Also press the bell icon to get all notifications into my new videos. Also, please like and share this video. Thank you.